An Erie High teacher was surprised with a big check at school today. Take a look.
2024 Harbor Freight Tools for Schools Prize for Teaching Excellence. You and your school have just won $100,000.
That's Donna Newell. She's a welding teacher at Erie High, paving the way for women in the welding field. Today, she was recognized for her efforts with the 2024 Harbor Freight Tools for Schools Prize for Teaching Excellence. As one of the grand prize winners, she was presented with a $100,000 today at her surprise awards ceremony.
For donations, so to be awarded this, I never in a million years thought that this would ever happen, so it's really big for the kids.
Only 6% of women make up the welding workforce. Newell is the second winner in Western Pennsylvania in the last 2 years to receive this award for their schools.